Hi, I'm Tyson with Adventure Rig, and we are out in the Utah desert where it's been hot. Luckily, my 2022 KTM 300 XCW has been staying cool thanks to a TrailTech universal fan kit that I've installed on it. Now, for whatever reason, KTM does not put a fan on these motorcycles from the factory. Like I said, this is a universal fan kit. So this bike does have a fan plug, but with this kit, it's not something that you plug straight into. It comes with a wire that you plug into the fan and then run directly to the battery. So power is supplied directly from the battery on the bike. It's nothing difficult to run. I just ran it next to a wire loom that already existed and right out to my fan. Now, the install in general is very simple. It does bolt right up to the right side radiator with the frame that's provided that the fans are already mounted to. They also provide screws and the holes are already there. You just screw it right in, takes a few minutes to do. The reason that I love the TrailTech fan kits is because of this guy right here. This is a direct readout of how hot your radiator is because they give you a temperature probe that you insert into the radiator, and then you can simply change the temperature that you want the fan to come on at. It comes from TrailTech set at 150 degrees, but this gives you the ability to do your own inputs on what temperature you want that fan actually coming on at. This is going to prevent your bike from ever overheating, which is always a good thing. If you have a KTM 300 or any bike for that matter that doesn't already have a fan on it, I would definitely look into TrailTech fan kits. This is something that's going to prevent your bike from overheating and keep it running cooler. If you guys have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Also, if you're wondering where we are or what we're up to, find us on Facebook and Instagram at Adventure Rig. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'm Tyson with Adventure Rig.